And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us tango choreography with teaching count. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 and quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, and quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 and quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, and quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look once again at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with 2 tango walks, curved slightly to left. We continue with progressive link, achieving promenade position, and from here we dance Fallaway Whisk 2 times. From Whisk we continue with Telespin and with 5-step ending to promenade position, and from here we dance extended closed promenade. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold and start 2 walks moving diagonally to wall. We dance progressive link to continue down line of dance with Fallaway Whisk and second Fallaway Whisk in same direction. Then we dance diagonally to center with Telespin, which went down line of dance with 5-step ending, and diagonally into corner we move with extended closed promenade. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.